group is called the planets, and the project is about it.
Number one, the treasure island.
Treasure Island. Okay.
About characters.
Okay. What's the aim of the project?
Know about the characters and the places.
Identify characters, identify places,
Describe
describe.
the roles of the characters.
Excellent, excellent. You have given them. What about the timing of the project?
A week.
A week to finish the project. What resources will they use?
Photos.
How will you evaluate them?
Do you like reading?
I like it. Evaluate them by asking them questions about the characters and the plot and the story. Okay. Okay.
Main places, the air and the
They have to make the place where the story happens, the main characters, the characteristics of the character. The product will be a wallet chart, maybe? A wallet chart. How will you divide the class? 5 groups. Each group will be about 2, 3, 4 students. What?
number of the class.
Okay, according to the number of the class. The end of the result, make a wallet chart. How will you evaluate them? Which project will be the best? Which project will take the excellent mark? Based on what?
Spelling.
No spelling mistakes.
What if no wrong information? That's excellent. No wrong information about the character. What if he says Silver was a good character and he was kind? It will be a mistake. Okay. And these are the characters you will ask them to include. Dr. Zip saying Captain Smollett, Silver, Trelawney, the captain. Excellent. Thank you for your hard work. I most appreciate it. Thank you. You tell us please about your project. What's the name of your group? Tigers. Okay.
يا سلام.
It's about for primary 3. Okay.
Unit 5 at the zoo.
At the zoo.
It aims the students should know zoo animals or recognize zoo animals.
Okay.
They can describe the animals,
Describe
recognize
animals.
what they eat and where they live.
Write about what they eat and they live. Just to make it measurable. Okay. Group dynamics.
We divide them into groups.
Groups of 10. Each group will have 10 students. Okay.
We give them 5 days.
5 days.
They use photos, color, pens, papers.
Okay. What is the end result? What will they produce for you at the end?
A wallet chart.
A wallet
About
chart
animals.
about animals. How will you evaluate them?
We give them the winner.
No grammar
No
mistakes.
mistakes, correct spelling, good presentation, pictures.
You will appreciate them by giving the winner
A book about
a
animals.
book about animals. Excellent. I like it. It's very organized. Great job. Well done. Excellent. Thank you. Tell us about your stages for doing a project with your students.
The name of the project is the Jobs in Ancient Egypt.
Okay.
The aims.
This is for Connect 6, Primary 6. Primary 5. Okay.
The aims is to know different jobs in ancient Egypt.
Okay. To speak about different jobs in ancient Egypt so that it can be measurable.
Group dynamics, group work,
Okay.
timing. I estimated 15 minutes. for the
15,
project.
15 minutes.
How often it takes a week
To complete the project, but they will meet for 15 minutes each day or during the class.
Yes.
Okay.
Resources for the project: student books, magazines, the internet, papers, and color pens.
And the colored pens. Okay, great.
End result: magazines in the classrooms.
They will make a magazine classroom. This is the end result. How are you going to evaluate them? How are you going to evaluate them?
Evaluation: right spelling.
They have to. The spelling must be correct.
Yes. No grammar mistakes.
No grammar mistakes.
They will write in good handwriting.
They will write in good handwriting. Excellent. Great. I'm very proud of you. I wish you all the best. Thank you. What's the name of your group? Choose a name. Butterflies Group. Excellent. Thank you. could you please introduce your project, please?
Today our project with primary school, we will talk about unit 5, lesson 2, at the zoo. Our project about animal habitats. You take 2 days to do this project. You are 3 groups as we divided before. Your aims to identify animals, speak about where they live, what they eat. You can use resources, your books, the internet, your knowledge or previous knowledge.
Okay.
I must evaluate you about your drawings, your spelling, your grammar, your handwriting, and your design of the wall chart. Our product finally will be a wall chart. The winner we will hang up his chart for a week in our class and in.
I like this as encouragement. The winner will have his wall chart hanged on
For a week.
For a week. Excellent.
To be an example for the other class.
For the other class. Excellent.
write his name
On the board.
Write his name on the board. You can ask them to use sticky notes to write their names because they are the winners. Okay, excellent. I think it's marvelous. You have identified the project, the aim, specified the time, how you will divide the groups, what your aims, what resources they will use, how you will evaluate them, and what is your end product. Excellent. Bravo. Great work. Big clap. What's the name of your group? Primary stage heroes. Excellent. Hey, could you tell us how will you apply project work with your students, please?
This project from Prep 1 to 3, it's about how to be safe online.
How to be safe online. Prep 1, the new curriculum. Okay.
I will divide the class into 5 groups.
Yes.
I will give them 2 days to make the project.
Excellent.
They can use resources like books, magazine, colored pen.
Okay.
I want them, the aims of the project, to speak fluently, to practice English well.
Practice English well, to speak fluently about it.
How to be safe online.
And how to be safe online.
From being from hacking.
So this is, effective object as well.
Yes.
It's not only
Their daily life.
and it's connected to their daily lives. Excellent. What group? What's the name of your group?
The name is Stars.
Stars. Excellent.
I want a wall chart to put on their classroom.
As the end product is a wall chart.
Evaluation to write English correctly.
Right.
Don't have grammar mistakes. And the
Spelling is correct. No grammar mistakes. Organization. Thank you. Excellent. Thank you. The men and the ladies, and you have your green pen and you have your black pen, and you're going to start. You're going to start first the group of men. Go ahead and choose whatever verb you want and write. Is it followed by 2 or no, just 1? Okay, just 1. Okay. Go ahead, Miss Nabila. Okay. It has to be long rows of students, okay? And students, are rushing to do it. Who will finish, and who won't make any mistakes will be the winner. Okay? Choose whatever verb you want. Let's see who is the winner? Let's see who is the winner. Okay, we have the ladies who used the green. Of course, dream to, or dream of, regret, okay, risk, ing, seem to be happy, finish, ing, tend to, prefer to, or ing. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have girls or ladies, 7 points. And we have the men with forget to or ing. We have enjoy ing. We have avoid ing, like to or ing. We have make and we have here 6, and the ladies are the winners. Excellent. Great work. Thank you.